guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl Nono Obi, and this is Uncut with Nono Obi, where we bring out stories that are very controversial and we dissect it. Okay, in today's video we're going to be talking about this popular comedian we all know about, Real Worry Girl. Yes, I guess most of you have seen her now. You have seen her new transformation now. She's looking lit. For me, I would say she's looking healthy. Yes, because trust me, no matter how you say you love yourself, fatness is not healthy. Yes, forget about having self-love, or even though you're, let's say you like some people say it's not their fault they are fat, it's something that they've had right from childhood. Yes, I know, but still try and know how you walk around it, because of what? Health. No matter how you try to love yourself when you're fat, when you get, there's a point it gets to, it becomes a threat to your health. So this particular comedian, Real Worry Pikin, I'm going to show her picture here. She is looking lit right now. For me, she looks to me very healthy. I love the way she's looking right now. Down in the comment section, so many people are saying they don't like the way she's looking, they prefer the way she was looking big before. But the thing is that people don't know what other people are going through. In as much as she has done a video trying to give us a background of the reason she started on this weight loss journey, some people are still coming on the comment section and saying under her video that they prefer how she was before. How can you prefer how she was before when she's telling you already on the video that she was having life-threatening issues? Even her personal doctors were trying to tell her you love food more than yourself, blah 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 blah. Everybody around her is trying to give her this kind of hope that she can do this, and she was trying to motivate herself in every way possible to do this so that she can live a longer life. Some people are still down in the comment section talking what I don't know. Okay, I'm going to play this video for you right now, then we'll come back and talk about it.
I not do this weight again. I'm not okay. I feel all the time. I need to go on a weight loss journey. That time we still stay for Lugbe. I could join one gym. I joined the gym. I go gym every day. They're going to tell me for the gym. Not be only to go gym. You need to diet. You need to you know, say for Nigeria, when you eat right, it's fire. Worry. Me and Mr. Jollof do red carpet host. After we finish red carpet, I say I go upstairs, go greet bros, Bovi. I go greet him and everything. Immediately, I saw I fall. I saw they rush me, pour water for my face and everything. I don't feel breathe. Step when I just to climb upstairs, go greet bros for this thing. Now I'm not fit to breathe again, I just fall. As I reach back house, I go hospital. I say, see what happened to me. Oh. They say you need to be working out. That time they call say they call one name for me. They say atherosclerosis. Abi what? They say my blood vessel, the vessel, the narrow. Abi one thing. I say sure. They say I need to with that one. They say I still get a cholesterol problem on fire. Fat dey my body. Make her they take. Come give me one Lipiton. So they pack drug give me for hospital. Say but make her still the waka. Make her the exercise. Make her the mind wait at the shop. I still try do workout that period. The thing will reduce small. So that I will come back again because the discipline all day to take shop. Right. 2020 oh, now so I do workout, do shop oh, I go shop vegetable, I go work out. Some time again, I must go swallow, akpu, pounded yam, everything. It got to a point I became so sick. They could admit me for hospital. Only me they get serious migraine back to back, breathlessness, knee severe pain, chest go dey pain me. Cholesterol with the atherosclerosis. 2021, I did my show in Worry. Fat dey my body. Make her they take. Come give me one Lipiton. So they pack drug give me for hospital. Say but make her still the waka. Make her the exercise. Make her the mind wait at the shop. I still try do workout that period. The thing will reduce small. So that I will come back again because the discipline all day to take shop. Right. 2020 oh, now so I do workout, do shop oh, I go shop vegetable, I go work out. Some time again, I must go swallow, akpu, pounded yam, everything. It got to a point I became so sick. They could admit me for hospital. only me they get do worry picking unfiltered worry. That was August 1st. Now I do the show. August 3rd week, I go Lagos go do comedy night. Yes, na comedy night with IK Psychodua. That particular season, I supposed to perform. I did for backstage. They won't mic me. I know if you stand up. I did turn me. It became so weak. This weight, thank God, I was so upset with myself. I say, so me not just get the discipline to really lose this weight. 2022, which is last year, I got a weigh 135, 140. I became so big. Every day, after they go, in a week, I must go hospital. In a week, they must rush me go hospital. After they got discharge me, I go to ask myself, so Anita Alare, I saw her. So you know if you just discipline, lose weight, now my husband.
Okay guys, welcome back guys. So now you have watched the video, I'm going to read down some of the comments here that is very annoying. Someone said, Madam, na sick you sick. I don't understand, some people are just very crazy. You just watch somebody's video now and she finished narrating how many minutes video, and it's still you came to the comment section and wrote, Madam, na sick you sick. I want to believe that you didn't listen to that video. I want to solely believe that you didn't watch that video. Okay, somebody wrote here, health is wealth, slim is fitted, slim is bae. I don't know about slim is bae, but I know about watching yourself, because fatness has so many health complications. Whether we like it or not, it's the fact. Okay, and somebody say here, which I love her comment, she said, it's her honesty for me. Some people will do weight loss surgery and instead of being honest about it, they start advertising weight loss product / diet plan. Okay, everybody with their own opinion, everybody with their own write-ups. I don't have issue with other people that are writing different things they are writing, but I solely have issue with people that are saying that they prefer her the way she was before. Somebody that has already done a video trying to tell you that she was having health issues and she was having complications, threats because of her weight, and she slimmed down. I think I love the way she. How can you love the way she is before? Now that I'm loving her, that she wears clothes, it fits her, and you're saying that you love the way she is before. Come on, girl. Come on, guys. Can't you just give us some accolade? And besides, she owes you guys no explanation, but still she came up on internet to tell you guys the reason she did this, because she knows so many people are waiting to hear why she did this. She still humbly, which she doesn't owe you guys, because likes like Inedo will not even listen to you guys. She still came out to tell you guys reason she did it, and you're still telling her it's not the reason. I don't understand. Are you her truth? Are you her children? Are you her husband? I don't understand you. Where is it doing you? So guys, just leave people to live the way they want to live. Leave people to be the way they want to be. When you're there insulting somebody, you don't know what the person is going through. Somebody can be very too slim and is life threatening, and the person is trying every way possible to be fat, and the person is not fat, and you are there calling the person like, bah, you don't know what the person is going through. The same way to people that are fat. Some people are very big. They're trying to tell themselves that fatness is bae. Inside themselves, they know fatness is not bae, and they're told, and they know their risk to their risk to having health problems, and they are calling them fatty bum bum. You don't know what they're going through. Can we just learn to be minding our business and be keeping our mouth shut? Okay. So guys, that is about this video. What do you think about it in the comment section? Do you think she did something bad? Comment and tell us her truth and the reason why she went for this weight loss journey, which everybody was expecting her to say. Trust me, everybody was expecting her to say it. Yeah, I'm 100% sure everybody was expecting her to say something, and she humbly did. Do you think she did the right thing? Do you think she would have just kept it to herself? After all, she doesn't owe anybody any explanation, if you ask me. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.